This is crazy. The results are amazing. Just look how perfect is this signal. Yeah, every trade you watch in here is more than just numbers on a chart. It's the outcome of 7 years of refining a strategy that works because it's simple. Success in trading comes from discipline, patience, and removing unnecessary complexity. So that's why I always tell you guys to stick to the plan, respect the rules, and the good results will surely come. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.